Bruce, it was the carbon monoxide poisoning of the young Robinson boys which sparked national awareness campaigns driven by their parents. The coroner handed down its findings and recommendations this morning. Vanessa Robinson slept with sons Chase, aged 8, and Tyler, aged 6, inside their rented Mooroopna home's master bedroom on May 29, 2010. Throughout the night, the gas heater operated on high. It wasn't until the next afternoon Ms Robinson woke to severe pain in her left arm, realising soon after both children had died. Testing identified ingestion of the colourless and odourless gas carbon monoxide as the cause. The coroner says the furnace emitted dangerously high gas levels caused by an obstruction inside, likely a build-up of lint. Little ventilation and extractor fans expelled the gas through to the main bedroom, leading to the deaths. No blame has been placed on the owners of the Kalimna Drive home for failing to service the heater prior to the family moving in, despite real estate recommendations, saying most people wouldn't have known the dangers. Recommendations include mandatory 2-year checks carried out on behalf of landlords, ongoing awareness campaigns including information on monoxide gas alarms, changes to approvals for exhaust fans and ventilation in homes with heaters, better education and training for fitters, and nominated checking and servicing times by manufacturers. Scott and Vanessa Robinson appeared via video link inside the Shepparton Coroner's Court. They appeared disappointed with the findings handed down, labelling the ordeal as a waste of time. Bruce?